Okay, we reached to the national park, and as you saw, the entrance fee for only this park is only 40 baht per person. For foreigners, for locals I think it's 20. This is the river. It's coming by from the top. Actually now we are in the dry season, so it's almost 4 or 5 months there is no raining this area. Here at the entrance they have a camping ground for those who wants to camp. You can see some cars parking here and staying here for night. Here, that's a toilet area, separated for gents and ladies. It's very clean. It has water and soap as well. I can show you something. Yep, you can read it if you want. It's pretty beautiful. Sawadee. People are camping at night. They live here, camping site. I think there is not too much cost for camping here at night. I think as long as you enter here, you pay your entrance fee, you can stay here for camp. Okay, this park I divided to A, B, C, D, E, F, and maybe G, if I'm not wrong. Different area. I will show you in the map that what is each area actually is. Where is the location of each area. I try to show you satellite map, which makes it easier. Oh, come on, man. They're just making some time. Are you kidding me? Okay, this area going to A. Later on, we're coming here to show you. I'm just going to show you B as well. And the road going to C, D, E, and F. I mean, all those areas. As much as is possible, I try to not talking. Just let you enjoy the vibe, the sounds around you, and the nature. You can see the riverbed is almost dry completely, and when raining season starts, all this area actually will be filled with butterflies, gorgeous butterflies, full. Wherever you're going, full of butterflies, and it's so mesmerizing actually. This is the way going to sea, which hopefully next week and maybe go there to show it to you. Where is it? Today is Sunday, early morning almost for Thai people, those who are working. Mostly people coming here after 9 or 10. Actually, like after 10, they coming here 10, 11. They bring foods, sitting beside water and try to enjoy the vibe. Although sometimes morning also they come early morning. That's why you can see nobody around here. It's very quiet. There is another camping ground actually in this area, and they make a toilet there as well. It's open area, easily you can put your tent or whatever you have there and sit there. They slightly changed it. Last time they didn't have this kind of table and chair there, but now they put, I think you can see it, some tables and chairs there. Okay, I mean, a long time I didn't come here in this section. Okay, there is one thing you should know actually. In Thailand, they call many places have a waterfall, but it's not actually a real waterfall. Okay, there is something in Thailand I have to let you know. Here is a bee. They call this area as a waterfall, but it's not actually a waterfall. Wherever they have elevation on the stones and riverbed, which makes the water fall down and make noise, the water sound, they call it waterfall, which I don't believe that's a waterfall. I try to, yep, this is quite nice area. So in next 2 hours here will be fully crowded everywhere here. People sitting, having food. Oh, and you can see, unfortunately they don't take care of the situation. You can see some garbage all over the area. Wherever we go, we try to clean the area. Oh, by the way, sometimes we are going to that point actually, that area, to we sit there, we put our tarp there, make our breakfast there. It's only for breakfast. For lunch normally we're going to the top, we're going towards the C and D, going to the top of this area and enjoying there. It's very quiet and nice. Nobody actually going there. Okay, so we decided to do something quite interesting today. From here actually there is a road going and coming out from A, so we try to go from this way and showing to you how it looks like. It's really beautiful, by the way, and you will enjoy it. I am sure you will enjoy it.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
like mystery forest. Actually, if you want to stay for night without any disturbance, you can stay in this kind of area. They already make a platform. It looks solid. If you clean the area, you can just stay not on the ground. Here have a very wild ants. Actually, they can bite you nicely, and you can easily stay here. You can make your fire near yourself, but you have to make sure you clean the area very well. Oh, that's a bamboo. Where are you found it?
Water.
Okay, cool. It's so heavy. Yeah, salmon pocket. By the way, in Thailand, in the national park, you are not allowed to cut any tree. It's illegal to cut any tree. So normally if you want to make fire, you're using the driftwood where we found on the floor, on the ground. That's enough actually for whatever you want to do. You see some area like this, they start to make a platform. Why they didn't cover it? Maybe lack of budget or anything. So we almost reached to point A. I want to check for you. It's about 500 meters. Take about 8 minutes. Okay, so to point A there is two different bridges. And you see there the parking lots in front of you. That's where we came to start. So we go all the way around and we came back from this way. In this section in point A, they have a two shelter built by park rangers actually, but I don't know why nobody used this section. They also have toilet, but nobody use it, so they don't clean it, they don't repair it. Actually the plants definitely was good, because you can see even the light pole are here, but they didn't fix it. So the wiring is there. Even underneath those sheds they have a light, and they have a plug, but it's not connected. So, and nobody mostly coming here. They're mostly going towards the point B. It's much convenient for the people, I guess so. but we love here. And Point C beach. Hopefully next week when we go there, I'll show it to you how it looks like. You see, this is the toilet area, which it doesn't work. It's a bit creepy. I don't know which kind of animal is inside, which kind of insects build nests there. I mean, not those wild animals. Oh yeah, workout house. Because I just upload video. I know that. My phone just remind me.
Workout resumed.
Okay. Thank you for reminding me. Yeah, almost 500 meter, 560 meter it said. So normally staying here. This is only for our breakfast spot actually. So you can see I have my piece of roots here.
You have to make something with this.
With which one? I'm worried. That's a bamboo. I'm worried to shrink.
Yeah.
It shrink down. When it get dry, it gets shrink down.
Yeah,
so you just
like
yeah.
this.
Can you believe it? This one was the same size as this, and it shrink down. Not the same length, but anyway, same width. Okay, now it's time for breakfast. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you later. Okay guys, so after breakfast we spend time. Now it's almost 11:15, so we spent about 2-3 hours from the time we reached here. Now we are heading back to parking, to going back home. It was fun. So I'm going to show you the bridge connecting the parking lot to the place. I call it A.